Claire.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Best face
Hey.
ever. You want to see Evan?
Hey.
Desperate.
Evan. Evan.
Here. You want to see Emily? He doesn't need that right now.
Are they around your baby, Levi?
Who's that?
You give him kisses, Claire? Give him a kiss. Give his little piggies a kiss.
Kiss his toes. She's like,
What are you talking about, Mom?
I don't think I'm going to kiss feet.
You want me to pick you up to give him a kiss?